Hi everyone, Lisa here with Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to our video today, which is on what to plant with hostas. So we're going to talk about some fun plants, some companion plants for hostas that can spruce them up a little bit. So sometimes I'll hear people say that hostas can be a little bit boring. However, I disagree. They do come in some variegated leaves, some different textures, some different colors. So I think with the right mix of plantings, they can really shine. And let's not forget how vital they are for deep shade conditions. So I'm here in the shade garden and I wanted to talk about some different options for plantings with your hostas and just to spruce them up a little bit. So hostas are great for shade, and always check your planting hardiness zone. By the way, I'm in planting hardiness zone 6B here in Connecticut, but I'll have a lot of clients that like to do under plantings underneath trees, or they have a tough shady spot. And so I like to just think of some creative options to spruce it up. And I want to show you some different combinations. So when you're thinking about combinations, you have to make sure that the plants will also take deep shade, just like your hostas. And then you want to talk about complementary textures and colors. So talk about textures and colors. This Japanese painted fern is gorgeous. So it's a really easy little shade plant, and it makes a really pretty border here with this combination, but it is deciduous just like the hostas. So at the end of the growing season, so usually when our first frost comes, you will cut them right down just like the hostas. And in my opinion, there's something to be said for the ease of maintenance. And so in the winter, just cutting this whole corner down and then having it start fresh in the spring is really easy and fun. So let me show you a few more combinations today, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas for your own gardens. Okay, we're wrapping up our video, and I hope that you enjoyed our shade garden ideas to plant alongside your hostas. And if you liked the video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more gardening coming your way.